an expense inside the QBO. So instead of creating an invoice and after recording the payment of that invoice, you can do the both things at the same time to save your time. So how can we do that? All you need is to just go to this plus button and click on expense, and in the pay box you just select your vendor. Let's say we went to a restaurant and there we had a dinner with our client. So let's say in this case our vendor is KFC, and in the payment account you just select your payment account. Let's say we want to make this payment by petty cash bank, and here you can adjust your payment date, and here you can select your payment method. Let's say we're gonna make this payment by credit card, and if you have number then you can put those reference number here. And in the category detail you just select your default expense account in the chart of account. Let's say we have created an account in the name of KFC and McDonald in the chart of account as a default other expense account. So we just select that account from here. So in the description we have write dinner with client, and the total amount of that bill is $50. If you have any message that you want to display on memo, and if you have attachment then you can do that. And once everything is done, just click on save and close. As I already have created, so I just click on cancel. And if you go back to the expense module, and in the expense module you just click on vendor, and here you can see that this is your KFC vendor, and if to see the detail of that vendor you just click on that. The expense with this vendor is $50. We have paid it. To see the detail of paying, you just click on just go to the accounting and click on chart account. So as you can see that the total expense of $50, and we make this payment by our petty cash. So now let's go to the bank account and see the remaining balance of our bank account. What you need is to just go to the accounting module and click on chart of account. Here you can click on petty cash, and here you can see that making this payment on remaining balance is this, and after making this payment of $50 we have the remaining balance of $4,49,984. So that's how you can create an expense and save your time. So I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. Take care of yourself. I'll be seeing you in the next video. For now, bye bye.